This is a new wig by Belle Tress in their Lux SE Collection. And this wig is called Estee, A-E-S-T-E-E. She's heat friendly, and this color is Sparkling Champagne R. So the R is for rooted, so Sparkling Champagne. Now, I purposely have not put her on yet because I want you to see this whole process. This wig just came out of the box. I can already see there's some tight curls here, so I'm usually not a fan of curls like this, but we're gonna work with her and see what we see. All right, let's start on the inside so we know what we're gonna be working with. Oh, beautiful. This is a completely hand-tied cap. All of this free parting space, lace front, and then this all hand-tied back here, nice and stretchy. It's beautiful. This is gonna be super comfortable. We've got quick adjusters here. It's velvet at the nape and silicone ear tabs. Perfect. So that's gonna be snug right here and be flawless. So don't judge a wig by its cover until we get it on, right? So just at first glance, I'm thinking awfully dense curls. So let's see how we look at her. Now we're going to put our forehead in and try to land the lace, this part right here above your eyebrows. Don't try to be perfect right out of the gate. We're just gonna dive our head in, hold on to the tag in the back, and we're gonna put her up like this. Now, I know what you're thinking, because I'm probably thinking it too. Yikes. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna adjust her. So she's kind of snug, but that's okay. I've got her ear tabs and she's on either side of my temple. Now this is okay. We're gonna work with this. So you can see these curls are a little bit dense, but look at this hairline. So we can start with the hairline and say, wow, flawless, flawless. So we've got some potential here. Now I've got my handy dandy wide tooth comb. And what I'm gonna do is just gently comb through these curls, not too much, because I may want more curl than I think I do. I wanna break the part. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I like to part on the left side. So that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe, here we go. There we go. So let's see how she's coming together. Oh, now we're looking at some really pretty colors here. So just put our fingers in here and loosen up the fibers. And let's see how we've got her going. So she's gonna be really pretty off of my face, which I've come to really love, is having a wig off of my face. And then we're gonna comb through these fibers just a little bit. She looks like beauty parlor hair is what I like to call it. It's been set and curled in rollers. But look at this, really pretty. Look at this hairline, gorgeous. So I have become a fan. Now I would wear her probably for something a little more elegant or a little more dressy. I don't know that I'd go to the grocery store with this hair because she's a little fancy, but gorgeous. And let me show you the back and the side. So she's really pretty. This hairline is flawless. The cap is super comfortable. Let's try and part her in another place. Let's put her over here and see if, sometimes the wig wants to go where it wants to go and you just let it. So see, look at that. Much better on this side. So this is really pretty, right? Can you see how I did that? How I just moved the part, and these barrel curls are big enough that we can just roll them. Oh, see, now that turned into a really nice style. Now these curls are gonna relax as you wear her. So pretty. Belle Tress, Estee in Sparkling Champagne Rooted. So pretty, right?